Hello friends, this is Alka Maheshwari and welcome to Learner's Planet. Friends, most of us always have a fear for mathematics. Even I used to have that. But we understand the necessity of mathematics in our day-to-day life, our school life, our college life and life after that. So I thought, why should not I try to make it interesting? So I started working on this. Gradually, I found it very interesting and exciting. Now I'm really comfortable with the subject and having a great passion for mathematics. I have referred various books and resources to learn the subject. And now I wish to share my experience with you. The methods covered in my sessions will definitely be useful for everyone. Maybe you are a schoolgoer, an MBA entrance aspirant, a CAT aspirant, a bank PO aspirant, or you are going to take Olympiad exams or whatever. The methods are even useful for parents. You just practice them well and bring them in your day to day life. Let's begin this interesting journey of mathematics, friends. Okay, I would suggest you to have a paper and pen with you so you can practice with me, and don't forget to take the test which I provided in the module, so you can have a good grip on the subject, or on you can have a good grip on the methods which we are going to discuss and learn in this session. Now we discuss the method multiplication of a two-digit number and 11. Okay friends, we see here 23 into 11. Now it's very simple. You just split the number 23. We write 2 over here, we write 3 over here. Now what is 2 plus 3? That is 5. So we write 5 in between. So isn't it very simple? 23 into 11 will give you 253. Okay. Similarly, we take the next example. 45 into 11, we split the number 45. 4 we write over here, 5 we write over here. Now what 4 plus 5 is 9. You can do these calculations even mentally. You just have to observe the number, just have to add it, and you just have to put the right number in between. 62 into 11, 6 we write over here, 2 here, 6 plus 2, 8. Try to do these calculations mentally. 8 and 1, we write 8 over here, we write 1 over here, 8 and 1, 9. 8, 9, 1 will be getting as a multiplication of 81 into 11. 70 to 11, we write 7 over here, 2 over here, and 7 plus 2 will be 9. So we just see that it's actually very easy, and you can have a good grip on this if you have practiced them well. Okay. Now we take some more examples. What if we are going to get a carryover when we are going to add the numbers? Let's take this example. We split the number 29. We write 2 over here and 9 over here. Now what 2 plus 9 will be? It will be 11, but we cannot write 11 as it is in between. We just have to write 1 over here. Then we are going to carry over the next one. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. So the 20 multiplication of 29 into 11 will give you 319. Okay, it's very simple, friends. Similarly, 48 into 11, split the number 4, 8. 4 plus 8, 12. You write 2 over here and 1 will be carried. We write 4 plus 1, 5. So the answer will be 528. Okay, it's very simple, friends. 75 into 11, write 7 here, 5 here. 7 plus 5 will be 12. 2 we are writing over here and 1 will be carried away. 7 plus 1, 8. So the answer will be 825. Similarly, 89 into 11, write 8 over here, 9 over here. 8 plus 9 will give you 17. We write 7 here and 1 will be carried. 8 plus 1, 9. So the answer will be 979. Similarly, 95 into 11, split the number 9 and 5. 9 plus 5, 14. We write 4 over here and 1 will be carried away. 9 plus 1, 10. So it's 1045. It's actually very simple, friends. You can calculate all these calculations mentally. Okay, you just have to practice. Now we try to calculate some bigger number with 11. The multiplication of bigger number with 11. So here we see 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11. Again, it's very simple. Just concentrate and observe the pattern carefully. Write the rightmost digit as it is. That is the unit digit we have to write as it is. Now what? 3 plus 4. It's 7. Just write 7 over here. Then 2 plus 3, 5. Write 5 over here. Then 1 plus 2, 3. Write 3 over here. And copy 1 as it is. So it's 1. So the answer is 1, 3, 5, 7, 4. It is very simple, isn't it? Now let's take another example. 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. Write 5 as it is over here. Then 4 plus 5 will be 9. 3 plus 4 will be 7. 2 plus 3 will be 5. And 2 as it is. So 25795, that is the answer of 2345 into 11. Okay. Now let's take this example, 61241 into 11. Whatever may be the size of the number, it's actually very simple. You just have to practice with that. Okay, copy 1 as it is. Then 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 4, 6. 1 plus 2, 3. 6 plus 1, 7. And 6 as it is. Okay, so the answer of the problem 61241 into 11 will be 673651. Similarly, we try the next problem. 232323 into 11. We write 3 over here. Then 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 3, further 5, and then 2 as it is. Okay, so 232323 into 11 will give you 2555553. Okay, now let's take the next example. 4532312 into 11. Let's do this. 2 as it is. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 5, 9. And 4 as it is. Now in this example, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 11, there will be a carryover. So we just have to observe the pattern carefully. 6 we write as it is. Now 5 plus 6 will be 11. We cannot write 11 as such over here. We just have to write 1 and 1 will be carried. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 1, 10. 0 will write over here and 1 will be carried. So 3 plus 4, 7 and the 1 will be 8. Okay, then 2 plus 3 will be 5 and 2 as it is. So the answer to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 11 will be 258016. Similarly, we take this example 54327 into 11. 7 as it is we will write. 2 plus 7, 9. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 3, 7. 5 plus 4, 9 and 5 again. So the answer will be 597597. Now take this example 76542 into 11. 2 we write over here as it is. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 4, 9. 6 plus 5, 11. We write 1 over here and 1 will be carried. 7 plus 6, 13 and 1, 14. 4 we write over here and 1 will be carried. And then 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. It's very simple, friends. Now 72092 into 11. We just try to do it. 2 as it is. 9 plus 2, 11. We write 1 over here and 1 will be carried. Then 0 plus 9. Okay, we try to do it once again. It's 2 as it is. 9 plus 2, 11. We write 1 over here and 1 will be carried. Then 0 plus 9 will be 9 and plus 1, 10. We write 0 over here and 1 will be carried. Then 2 plus 1 will be 3. Then 7 plus 2 will be 9 and 7 as it is. So 72092 into 11 will give you 793012. Similarly, this example. 6 as it is. 8 plus 6, 14. We write 4 over here and 1 will be carried. 7 plus 8, 15 and 1, 16. Further 1 will be carried. 4 plus 11 and 1, 12. 1 will be carried. 5 plus 4, 9. Plus 1, 10. 0, 1 will be carried. And then 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, so 5, 4, 7, 8, 6 into 11 will give you 602, 646. All the questions we have done over here, you might have observed that very simple. The multiplication of any number with 11 is really actually very simple. So you just have to practice them. Okay, students, we'll be discussing more methods in our next sessions.